How to change your list name on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your list name on Twitter. So first thing, go to Twitter. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture and go down, choose the lists option, click on lists and go down to your lists. Click on your list here. My list name is football, as you can see, and I want to change it. Or what you have to do is click edit, click edit here and change the name from here. And after you finish, click save here in the top corner and everything will be saved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.